The pie chart gives information about the colour of each car within the car park. We're told that there are 135 black cars in the car park. So part A says we need to work out the number of white cars in the car park. We know in the black section there are 135 cars. And we want to work out the number of white cars. And we don't know the number of other colours. So now we're going to look at the angles in the pie chart. So in the black section here, we can see it's 90 degrees. Because this symbol here means 90 degrees. So I can say that 90 degrees equals 135 cars. Now if I divide both sides by 90, I'll get that 1 degree is equal to 1.5 cars. So we'll work out the number of white cars in the car park. And we can see that that's represented by 80 degrees. So getting from 1 degree to 80 degrees, we're going to multiply by 80. So if we do that to this side as well. So 80 degrees is 120 cars. And that's our final answer, 120 white cars in the car park. So in the mark scheme, we get 2 marks here for our working. Then we get our third and final mark for the correct answer, 120. We're now told that there are 50 grey cars in the car park. And a car in the car park is picked at random. So we need to find the probability that the car is grey. So from part A, we know there are 135 black cars and 120 white cars. And from part B, now we know there are 50 grey cars. So if you remember from part A, we had that 90 degrees is 135 cars. Now to get the total, we're thinking about a pie chart. So in a pie chart, the total is going to be 360 degrees. So to get to 360 from 90, we multiply by 4. So doing that to this side as well, we're going to get 540. So that means that there are 540 total cars. So to get the probability that the car is grey, we need to take the number of grey cars, so that's 50, and we're going to divide that by how many cars there are in total, so 540. Now we've got the probability, and now we could simplify this fraction down further if we wanted, but we don't actually need to, so we can just leave that as the final answer. So we got our first mark for working out what the total number of cars are, and the second mark for the correct probability.